Chapter 5. Acids, Bases and Salts. Quick Fine Focus. Acidic substances, basic substances, neutral substances, neutralization reactions, uses of acids and bases in daily life. Indicators. Your everyday foods contain different kinds of things. Some taste sweet, some taste salty, some taste sour while some taste bitter. Have you ever think why chocolate is sweet? Why are curd or lemon juice sour? Why are most of the medicines you take taste bitter? Things taste different because they have different chemicals. On the basis of chemical nature, substances are grouped into acidic, basic and neutral substances. The substance which contain acids are called acidic substance such as lemon, amla. The substances which contain base are called basic substances, such as soaps, baking powder, lime water. Now let us learn about these substances in detail. Acidic substances. Every day you eat curd, lemon, orange etc. All these taste sour. Their sour taste is due to acids in them. On the basis of availability, acids are categorized into two types: I. Organic acids and E. Mineral acids. Acids which are found from plants and animals are called organic acids, lactic acid. For example, citric acid, lactic acid, while the acids derived from inorganic substances are called mineral acids. For example, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid. Organic acids are weak acids. They are safe to consume, while mineral acids are strong acids which are highly corrosive in nature. Some organic acids and their sources are given in the given table. Table: Organic acids and their sources. Serial number. Organic acid natural source: 1. Acetic acid, vinegar. 2. Ascorbic acid, amla citrus fruits. 3. Citric acid, citrus fruits lemons oranges. 4. Glycolic acid, sugarcane juice. 5. Lactic acid, curd. 6. Malic acid, apples. 7. Oxalic acid, tomatoes spinach. 8. Tannic acid, tea. 9. Tartaric acid, tamarind, grapes. No more. Concentrated acid contains water less than acid. Dilute acid contains water more than acid. Properties of acids. Acids are sour to taste. Acids are corrosive in nature which corrode metals. Due to corrosive nature of acids, they are generally stored in glassware. Acids are soluble in water. Uses of some mineral acids. Hydrochloric acid. It is used for cleaning sanitary ware. It is used in the purification of common salt and in the manufacture of paints and detergents. Sulfuric acid. It is called the king of chemicals as it is an important industrial chemical. It is used in car batteries and in fertilizer industries. Nitric acid. It is used to manufacture explosives like trinitrotoluene and nitroglycerine. It is used by goldsmiths to clean gold and silver jewelry. Acetic acid. It is used in food to enhance the flavor of food. It is used as a cleaning agent to clean floors, utensils etc. and to remove stains on carpets and woodwork. It used as a preservative in pickles. Basic substances. Some substances that are bitter in taste and soapy to touch. These substances are called bases. Example: sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide etc. These are used in manufacture number of products that we use in our daily life. Some substances and the bases found in them are listed in the following table. Table. Some bases and substances in which they are found. S. No. Name of base. Substance in which it is found. 1. Ammonium hydroxide. Window cleaning solution. 2. Calcium hydroxide. Lime water. 3. Magnesium hydroxide. Milk of magnesia. 4. Potassium hydroxide. Soap. 5. Sodium hydroxide. Soap. Some bases are strong while others are weak. Strong bases like sodium hydroxide and caustic soda, potassium hydroxide are very corrosive in nature. Copper hydroxide and zinc hydroxide are weak bases and not corrosive in nature. Activity 1. Take some baking soda and taste it. You will taste it bitter. Touch a paste of baking soda between your fingers. You will feel it soapy to touch. Properties of bases. Bases are bitter to taste and soapy to touch. Bases may or may not be soluble in water. Bases which dissolve in water are called alkalis, e.g., sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide. Uses of bases. Bases like calcium oxide and calcium hydroxide are used to neutralize acidic soil. Sodium hydroxide is used in the preparation of soap, in manufacturing cleaning solutions, and in paper industry. Bases like magnesium hydroxide are used in antacids that gives relief from acidity in the stomach. Try these. Select the correct word to make the sentences correct. 1. Amla is a natural source of citric acid, ascorbic acid. 2. Hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid is called the king of chemicals. 3. Bases, acids are bitter to taste. 4. Caustic soda is a strong, weak base. 5. Bases, acids are sour to taste. 6. Organic, mineral acids are found in plants and animals. Neutral substances. Some daily use substances are neither acidic nor basic in nature. Distilled water, sugar, urea, glucose are neither acidic nor basic in nature. These are neutral substances. Neutralization reaction. You know about nature of acids and bases. What happens when an acid with a base are mixed? Acid and base neutralize each other to form a salt. A salt may be acidic, basic or neutral in nature. The beaker or test tube in which an acid and a base react also gets heat up. The reaction between an acid and a base to form salt and water with the evolution of heat is called a neutralization reaction. For example, when vinegar, acid, is added to baking soda, base, a salt, water and carbon dioxide gas are formed. Similarly, when hydrochloric acid is added to sodium hydroxide, base, sodium chloride, salt, and water are formed with the evolution of heat. HCl, hydrochloric acid, acid, plus sodium hydroxide, base, change into sodium chloride, salt, plus hydrogen oxide, water. Activity 2. To neutralization reaction. Take 5 ml of dilute sodium hydroxide in a test tube. Add 2 to 3 drops of phenolphthalein indicator. The solution turns pink. Next, add dilute hydrochloric acid using a dropper. Keep stirring the contents gently after adding each drop. Continue to add dilute hydrochloric acid till the pink color disappears. The disappearance of pink color is the indication that the neutralization reaction between sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid is complete. Next, Add 2 drops of dilute sodium hydroxide and shake the test tube well. You will observe that the solution turns pink. Touch the test tube after the neutralization reaction. It feels hot, as heat is evolved during the reaction. Indicators. We see many things in our surroundings. It is not safe to taste anything without knowing. To know whether a substance is acidic or basic in nature, indicators are used to test the chemical nature of substances. Indicators are substances that are used to test the acidic and basic nature of substances. They show a change in color on coming in contact with the substances. Some indicators are prepared from flowers, China rose, roots, beetroot, stems, turmeric, and leaves, red cabbage, of plants. These are called natural indicators. These indicators can be prepared from the colored parts of plants by boiling them in water for some time and straining them. The solution obtained will be colored. Some indicators can be prepared in the laboratory by using dyes and some other chemical compounds. These are called chemical indicators. Let us study about some indicators in detail. Litmus is the most common indicator used in the laboratory. It is extracted from lichens. It is available in the form of strips of paper called litmus paper or in solution form. Litmus paper is either red or blue in color. Blue litmus paper turns red in acid and red litmus paper turns blue in a base. To know the strength of an acid or a base, scientists have given different strengths in the form of number ranging from 1 to 14. They are called pH number. A universal indicator is a mixture of indicators that gives different colors for different pH values. A pH paper is dipped in an acid or base and the color obtained are matched with the colored chart given below. Activity 3. To check acidic or basic nature of different solutions using red and blue litmus paper. S. No. Solution. Effect on red litmus paper. Effect on blue litmus paper. Chemical nature. Acidic, basic, neutral. 1. Lemon juice. Remains same. Turns red, acidic. 2. Aerated drink. 3. Baking soda solution. 4. Detergent solution. 5. Lima water. 6. Salt solution. 7. Sugar solution. 8. Tap water. 9. Vinegar. Turmeric. Turmeric, haldi, is used as an ingredient in different dishes. It is a yellow-colored powder. It is used an indicator in the form of turmeric paper. Turmeric paper can be made mixing turmeric powder in a little water to make a paste. This paste is applied on blotting or filter paper and left to dry. Strips of this paper can be used as an indicator. In a basic medium, the turmeric paper turns reddish brown. In an acidic or neutral medium, there is no change in color. Turmeric paper, i.e., it remains yellow. You must have experienced when a yellow stain of cooked vegetable falls on your white shirt and you wash it with soap. It turns reddish brown, because soap solution is basic in nature. China rose. China rose indicator is prepared by boiling some pink petals of China rose flower in water. A light pink solution is obtained. After filtering the contents, in an acidic solution, the China rose indicator changes to dark pink or magenta. In a basic solution, it turns green in color. In a neutral solution, China rose indicator has no effect. Activity 4. To test whether the given solutions are acidic, basic or neutral using turmeric and China rose indicators. Take strips of turmeric paper and China rose indicator, prepared by boiling its petals in water and then filtering the contents, to test whether the solutions given below are acidic or basic. Serial number. Solution to be tested. Color change with turmeric. China rose indicator. Nature. Acidic, basic or neutral. 1. Aerated drink. 2. Lemon juice. 3. Salt solution. 4. Soap solution. 5. Soda water. 6. Sugar solution. 7. Vinegar. Phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein is colorless solution which is prepared in laboratory by dissolving phenolphthalein dye in alcohol. In basic solutions, colorless phenolphthalein changes into deep pink color. In acidic or neutral solutions, the solution remains colorless. Try these. Answer these questions in short. 1. Are bases soluble in water? 2. What color does turmeric paper change to in a basic medium? 3. Name the most common indicator that is extracted from lichens. 4. What is the effect of acids on litmus paper? 5. What color does the phenolphthalein indicator shows in a basic solution? Differences between acids and bases. Serial number. Parameter acids bases. 1. Taste. Sour. Bitter. 2. Touch. Not soapy. Soapy to touch. 3. Effect on litmus paper indicator. Turns blue litmus paper red. Turns red litmus paper blue. 4. Effect on yellow turmeric paper indicator. No effect. Turns the paper reddish brown in color. 5. Effect on pink China rose indicator. Turns magenta in color. Turns green in color. 6. Effect on colorless phenolphthalein indicator. No effect. Turns the indicator pink in color. 7. Effect on methyl orange indicator. Turns reddish orange. Turns yellow. 8. Solubility in water. Most acids are soluble in water. Most bases are insoluble in water. Uses of acids and bases in daily life. As remedy for indigestion, hydrochloric acid is produced in the stomach, which is essential for the proper functioning stomach. But when we eat spicy food, our stomach produces large amounts of hydrochloric acid, which results in acidity or indigestion. Indigestion can be very painful and can even cause stomach ulcers. As a base neutralizes the effect of an acid, doctor give antacids like milk of magnesia, contains magnesium hydroxide, to cure indigestion. To cure ant and bee sting. Ant and bee sting contains formic acid, which is injected into the skin when a person is bitten by an ant or bee. This causes pain and swelling. The effect of ant or bee sting can be neutralized by rubbing a base like baking soda or calamine lotion on the skin. The base neutralizes the effect of the acid. In soil treatment, plants grow best in neutral soils. Due to lack of essential nutrients or due to excessive use of fertilizer, the soil either becomes too acidic or too basic, which reduces soil fertility and results in the poor growth of plants. If the soil is too acidic, it is treated with bases like quicklime, calcium oxide, or slaked lime, calcium hydroxide. These bases neutralize the acidic soil, making it neutral. If the soil is too basic, organic matter like compost or manure is added to the soil. It releases acids into the soil and neutralize the basic nature of the soil, thus making it neutral. To treat factory wastes. Factory waste are mostly acidic in nature. If they flow into water bodies, they cause damage to aquatic plants and animals. Basic substances like slaked lime are added to factory wastes to neutralize the acids present in them before they are discharged into water bodies. Try these. Write true or false. 1. Ant N-B contains formic acid. 2. Hydrochloric acid that is produced in the stomach causes acidity. 3. Milk of magnesia is an antacid. 4. Plants grow best in acidic soil. 5. When an acid reacts with a base, a salt is formed. Quick recap. Substances are broadly classified on the basis of their chemical nature as acids, bases or neutral. Acids are sour to taste and mostly soluble in water. Bases are bitter in taste, soapy to touch and mostly insoluble in water. A salt may be acidic, basic or neutral in nature. The reaction of an acid with a base to form salt and water is called neutralization reaction. Antacids like milk of magnesia is used to cure indigestion. Indicators are substances that are used to test the acidic or basic nature of substances. Lichens, turmeric, China rose petals are natural indicators. Indicators like methyl orange and phenolphthalein are prepared in the laboratory. An acid and a base neutralize each other to form a salt.